In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage suggestions and track changes in Google Docs effectively. Whether you're collaborating on a project or reviewing edits, understanding how to control these settings is crucial for maintaining a clean and organized document. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. Make sure to log into your account using your credentials. Once there, access the specific document you're working on, particularly one that shows suggestions or changes that have been tracked by a collaborator or yourself. This interface is where we'll begin our journey to mastering document edits. Next, locate the pencil icon positioned in the top right corner of the document interface. You might see the words editing, suggesting, or viewing next to it, indicating the current mode in which you are working. Click on the small drop-down arrow right there beside the pencil. From the list of options that appear, select Editing. By doing so, all upcoming changes you make will be applied directly to the document, entirely bypassing the suggestion or tracking mode. This clear step allows you to edit your document seamlessly without any additional marks or comments unless specifically intended. Although you've switched to editing mode, previous suggestions or tracked changes won't automatically disappear. To clean things up and finalize the document, head over to Tools in the menu bar and select Review Suggested Edits. This action opens up a panel on the right side of your screen displaying all existing suggested changes. Here you have the choice to either accept or reject all modifications in one go. Simply select Accept All or Reject All as per your requirement, and the document will adjust accordingly, reflecting these decisions immediately. Now, for a quick confirmation, ensure you're in editing mode by checking for the word editing in the top right section of your document. With this verification, you can be confident that track changes are comprehensively disabled, allowing for straightforward document management. That's all for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you can expertly handle suggestions and track changes in Google Docs, creating an efficient and collaborative document editing environment. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever needed and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for tuning in and happy editing.